To, barkanmu da zuwa Maths for You. Yau darasinmu na yau shine za mu studying din example kamar haka. Kamar yadda muka gani, if we have a solution, if we have 10 permutation 3 all over 5 permutation 2, this is defined as 10 factorial over 10 minus 3 bracket factorial all over 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 bracket factorial. This is the same thing as 10 factorial over 7 factorial all divided by 5 factorial over 3 factorial. So this is the same thing as 10 factorial over 7 factorial times 3 factorial all over 5 factorial. If we take the reciprocal, this division is changed to multiplication. So now this is, we have 10 factorial times 3 factorial all over 7 factorial times 5 factorial. So this can be expressed as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, then times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 7 factorial times 5 times 4 times 2 3 times 2 times 1. From here is 7 factorial, cancel 7 factorial. From here to here, they are all going. So now we have 10 times 9 times 8 all divided by 5 times 4 times else. So from here, 4 into this remain 2, 5 here also remain 2. So this will give us 2 times 9 times 2, which is the same thing as 2 times 2, 18. 18 times 2 is 36. So therefore Therefore, 10 permutation 3 all divided by 5 permutation 2 is nothing but equals to 36. So now if we have if we have 3 number 2, if we have 2n plus 4 permutation 3 all bracket equals to 2n plus 4 permutation 4. So this can be expressed as 3 times 2 plus 2n plus 4 bracket factorial all over 2n plus 4 minus 3 bracket factorial is equals to 2n plus 4 bracket factorial over 2n plus 4 minus 4 bracket factorial. This is the same thing as we have 3 into 2n plus 4 factorial over 2n plus 1 factorial is equals to 4 plus 2n plus 4 factorial over 2n factorial. So now this one will go with this. We have 3 over 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 1 factorial is equals to 1 over 2 factorial. So from here we know that this we have 3 over 2 plus 1 bracket 2 factorial is equals to 1 over 2n factorial. Is equals to 1 over 2n factorial. So from here we know that this 2n will go with this. We have 3 over 2n plus 1 is the sum but equals to 1. So if you cross multiply, this implies that 2n plus 1 is equals to 3. 2n is equals to 3 minus 1. 2n is equals to 2. N is equals to 2 over 2, which is something as 1. So thank you for watching maths for you